My Japanese Grammar Intermediate 動詞 Application pattern with 手 form. This lesson is for learners who finish or understand verb basic. 手 form is conjugation form ends with particle 手, so carries nuance of it, but still has various usages. This is a list of application sentence patterns you can make with 手 form and words combination. This is also. Let me explain each by each. First pattern is 手 form and しまいます. End up doing something. Example sentence. 明日までに読んでしまいます. I'll end up reading by tomorrow. 手しまいます indicates that the action will be completed at some point in the future. This sentence pattern is used rather in past form. してしまいました emphasizes that an action has been completed. Example sentence. 全部食べてしまいました. I ate up all. I ended up eating all. Okay? This pattern is also used to describe your feeling of regret about what you ended up doing something. Example sentence. タクシーに傘を忘れてしまいました. I ended up leaving my umbrella in the taxi. I left my umbrella in the taxi and I feel sorry about it. This pattern is also used to describe the action you might end up with regret. Example. 会議に遅れてしまいます. I will end up being late for the meeting and I would regret. Okay? Next pattern is 手 form and あります. Indicate an action in preparation is completed and ready for purpose. Confusing? Okay, let me tell with examples. Please look at the first sentence. If you just say, サンドイッチを作りました. I made sandwich. From this sentence, you can tell if you already ate it or it's still there. To add the nuance that I made a sandwich and it's still there and ready for eat, you can use the pattern 手 form and あります. サンドイッチを作ってあります. I made a sandwich and it's still here and ready to eat. Okay? We've just learned 手 form and あります. サンドイッチを作ってあります. I made a sandwich and it's ready to eat. Next pattern is 手 form and 起きます. While 手 form and あります, the first sentence, indicates an action in preparation for something else is completed. 手 form and 起きます indicates an action in preparation will be done. Look at the second sentence. サンドイッチを作っておきます. I will make sandwich and it will be ready to eat. Okay. Next pattern, 手 form プラス見ます. Try to do something. You use it when you try something out, to attempt to do something, to give it a shot. Example. サンドイッチを作ってみます. I try to make sandwich. Okay. Next, 手 form and 来ます. This pattern indicates that the speaker is going to somewhere, do something, and come back. Example. トイレへ行ってきます. I'm going to the restroom and come back. Next one. アイスクリームを買ってきます. I'm going to buy ice cream and I come back. Okay? Next, 手本 and いるところです。Be doing something indicates that an action is now in midst of progress. Example sentence. 今、読んでいるところです。I'm reading now. I'm in midst of progress in reading. One more. 今、考えているところです。I'm thinking now. I'm in the midst of progress in thinking. Okay? Next one is analogic language. 手本プラスくださいませんか? Could you do something? This is a more polite way of asking for something than 手ください. Please do something. Okay? Example sentence. 窓を開けてくださいませんか? Could you open the window? Okay? Next one is humble language. 手本プラスいただけませんか? Would you mind doing something? Example. 窓を開けていただけませんか? Would you mind opening the window for me? This expression is as polite as previous one. でくださいませんか? We learn more about analogic in other lesson. Okay, that's all for today. How did it go? Once you understand this video, practice example sentences. You can also go to next part to learn more application patterns. For learners who want to learn verb as vocabulary first, go to my Japanese word verb series. Okay? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.